Tracfone service drops often stem from three key issues: coverage problems, tower reselection difficulties, and SIM card malfunctions. As a mobile virtual network operator, Tracfone relies on major carrier networks like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. Coverage problems arise when signal strength is weak, especially below -100 dBm, leading to dropped service. Your phone constantly selects the best cell tower. Outdated algorithms or interference can cause it to switch erratically, resulting in disconnections. Finally, a damaged or outdated SIM card can cause authentication failures. Understanding these fundamentals is crucial for effective troubleshooting. To fix dropped Tracfone service, start by checking your coverage via Tracfone's website or My Account app. If coverage is weak, manually force tower reselection by toggling airplane mode or resetting network settings. This prompts your phone to scan for and connect to a stronger tower. Alternatively, reset network settings to reconnect to a better tower. If problems persist, inspect your SIM card for damage and ensure it's properly inserted. Tracfone offers free SIM replacements if needed, and you can use adapters to convert SIM sizes. Also, keep your phone's software updated, use Wi-Fi calling when available, and consider environmental factors like buildings that might block signals. According to Tracfone internal data, SIM checks resolve 45% of issues, while combining coverage checks and tower reselection fixes succeed in 65% of cases.